This is how you can clear Safari history on your iPhone. It also includes a tip for when you see that button grayed out. By the way, if you're new here, then make sure you subscribe. For the first option, you go to Settings, you scroll down and look for Safari here. If you're on iOS 26, these apps have now been bundled in a menu option called Apps. So you first click on that and then look for Safari. You see all these options here. If your main issue is about privacy and security and also preventing cross-site tracking, you can just toggle this on. However, if you want to clear history and website data, you go here, clear history and website data. Once you click on this, you see these options. Select the option you want, all history or for the last hour, today, etc. You can choose to close tabs here, and this will also close tabs as well as clearing that history. And once you click clear history, it will then proceed to clear all the history from Safari. Now another option which is quite similar as well, you go into Safari. I'm on an existing tab here. However, even if you're in a new tab, you can just click this menu option, this bookmark option. And then when you click on it, you see different options here. Bookmarks, this is reading list, then this is history. And then once you go to history, you see all the history with all the dates here. And then you can just choose the option clear. And once you choose clear here, it will show you the same options as well. All history, just as in the settings. You can choose to also close tabs here and then say clear history. And once you clear history, it will then close all your tabs as well as clearing all that history from Safari. Now let's say you want to speed up Safari, but you want to keep the list of visited websites. Now when you are in the menu option, settings, and then Safari here, you will scroll down and you see an option advanced. You click on it. Then once you click on advanced, it will show you these many options. You go on website and data here. It will show you all the websites which you have visited here, all the sites. Then you just click remove all website data here. And then you just say remove now. So basically what it will do is it will remove the images and junk files that would have been downloaded, but will still keep the list of visited websites. And it can speed up your Safari and browsing as well as your phone. Now there are some instances where you go to settings and you want to clear history and website data here, but you will see it's grayed out, as you can see here. Even if I go to Safari like this and say try to clear, you see it's also grayed out here. Most of the time, if not all of the time, this is always a screen time issue. So I'll show you what to do here. So you just go back to settings, then you go to screen time. You go to content and privacy restrictions. This will be toggled on. If it's toggled on, then go to content restrictions, go to web content. So whenever it's set to limit adult websites like this, it will show that button grayed out. So you can't clear history when it's like that. Set it to unrestricted. Go back to settings. Then look for Safari as well. Again, scroll down and you can see you can now click that button, clear history and website data. So this is the solution for that.